Having a busy working schedule will burn you out and you need to create some personal time to get yourself back on track. In that case, taking a warm shower or listening to your favorite soundtrack will do just fine. What if we tell you that you can do both simultaneously? Will that help of a portable Bluetooth speaker? Surely we can. So in today's video, we are going to show you the 5 best shower speakers to fill your shower time with entertaining beats. Are you having trouble making time to listen to your favorite FM station, or do you just want to listen to your favorite music while you enjoy your relaxing shower session? Whatever the hunt, the lazy IPX7 has got you covered. This Bluetooth speaker features IPX7 waterproof technology that will help you protect it from direct exposure to running water as well as full submersion. With its built-in independent FM chip and FM signal amplifier, this Bluetooth speaker will let you listen to your favorite radio station with much ease. On top of that, the Bluetooth speaker also supports 82 radio stations in the USA, which will enable you to explore countless new stations while you enjoy your shower. Equipped with TWS 3D stereo sound, you will be awestruck by the sound quality that this speaker is capable of offering. With its 360 degrees high-definition surround sound and thumping bass output, listening to your favorite music will feel like a first-time experience. If you enjoy listening to FM and fancy a Bluetooth speaker that can deliver both music and FM functionality, the lazy IPX7 is just the thing you need. Bluetooth speakers have revolutionized the music listening experience, and currently, you'll find lots of high-performing ones at a much affordable price. Among the themes is the Bonbon shower speaker, a budget king capable of providing everything you desire from a Bluetooth speaker. Featuring Bluetooth 3.0 and A2DP stereo, this shower speaker will provide you with soothing sound quality. With its easy button operation, you'll find amazing ease with use while switching music, controlling volume, and answering your important phone call while in the shower. Additionally, the Bonbon shower speaker comes with a built-in microphone that will enable you to experience hands-free call. The unique suction cup design of this speaker will let you mount it to your washroom wall with greater ease. The wireless speaker is compatible with most smartphone devices and will automatically pair whenever it's in range. With this many features on board, this portable speaker is a bargain at this price point. If you want to enjoy a portable music experience and don't plan to spend a lot on it, the Bonbon shower speaker is less likely to disappoint you. There is nothing more exhausting than your much needed equipment running out of power when you need it the most. However, that is less likely to happen when it comes to the Kunodi Portable Mini, a reliable shower speaker that features incredible battery life. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium battery, this portable speaker can deliver you with non-stop entertainment decibels between battery charges. In addition to its remarkable battery life, the IPX45 waterproof and dustproof feature of this device enables it to sustain even the harshest of environments. Surprisingly, the built-in mic combined with the hands-free function of this shower speaker will make your life a lot easier. It comes with an aluminum alloy carabiner that allows you to hang it anywhere in your bathroom or carry it with you wherever you go. If you're frustrated over your portable speaker running out of power and looking for one that offers longevity on performance, the Kunodi Portable Mini will be happy to help. Although Bluetooth speakers can be quite compact, some of them are relatively large, and you'll find it troubling to fit in your shower. The EWA A106 Pro, however, is impressively tiny, and you can place it anywhere in your shower. Don't take its size for granted, as this fun-sized portable speaker will mesmerize you with thumping bass output. Its built-in lithium polymer battery will guarantee you multiple shower sessions support without breaking a sweat. Tiny it may be, the EWA A106 Pro is quite stylish and minimalistic and will fit right in with your shower room decoration. This portable shower speaker weighs about 6.2 ounces and is less likely to put any pressure at all on your bathroom glass mount. If you're looking for a compact wireless speaker for your shower room and are unsure about what to pick, the EWA A106 Pro is as compact as a portable speaker can get. Lift your mood after an energy-draining working day with the help of Sony SRSXB12. An excellent portable audio speaker that will deliver you with a seriously fun and bass-heavy sound. Thanks to its industry-leading noise cancellation feature, your shower time will be filled with high-definition music of your choice. If that is not enough for you, the Sony SRSXB12 can be paired with two speakers wirelessly and enable you to amplify the audio further. The detachable strap of this portable speaker makes it easier for you to place, hang, or clip the speaker anywhere in your bathroom conveniently. With an extended battery life of up to 16 hours, the Sony SRSXB12 will elongate your shower session and completely relieve stress from your body. Overall, it's a stunning portable shower speaker that is well justified for the price you pay. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to this channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.